Here we will cover how to upload your FTMS data to FREDA if you are uploading from CoreMS, which is an identification tool that matches spectra to molecular formulas. If you have already uploaded your data, skip this video. When opening the FREDA application, you will be greeted by this screen. Click Multiple Unaligned Files. Here you will be prompted to add your unaligned CoreMS files. After adding your data, this menu will pop up to have you confirm your uploaded files, and then proceed to the CoreMS Data Creation subtab. The mini column pickers on the left will autofill if the file is formatted correctly. If so, check that the columns are correct. Otherwise, specify which columns are the index, observed mass, calculated mass, calibration mass, peak height, mass error, confidence score, heteroatom, ion type, file name or sample column, monoisotopic index, and the molecular formula. When finished, click Create CoreMS Data Object. From here, you may proceed to the Filtering subtab. Set the minimum confidence score for your data. The default is 0.5. Determine a comfortable threshold that minimizes the number of peaks with mass errors while also maintaining as much data as possible. For this data, I have selected 0.3. The summary table will tell you the number of peaks remaining, the percentage of peaks remaining, the number of peaks removed, and the percentage of peaks removed. Available visualizations include the mass error plot and the filtered data plot. Once done, click Filter Data. If unhappy with your filtering selection, this can be undone with Reset Filter. Now let's move on to the Unique Molecular Formula Assignment subtab. You may assign molecular formulas based on confidence score, which assigns a molecular formula based on the highest confidence score, or peak height, which assigns a molecular formula based on the highest peak. If unsure, we recommend the confidence score. Once done, click Convert to Peak Data to proceed to the Groups tab.